In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Wrike. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or just someone trying to keep track of things, setting up a report can be a valuable tool in understanding progress and priorities. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Wrike. You can do this by navigating to the Wrike login page and entering your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed by Wrike's organized and intuitive interface. Remember, if it's been a while since your last login, you might need to update a few details for security purposes. Next, we're going to access the Reports section. Look to the left sidebar. Here you'll find the Reports tab. Clicking on this will open up your reporting options. If by chance you don't see the Reports tab, don't worry. Simply expand the sidebar, and if it's still not visible, you may need to check your account permissions because access can sometimes be restricted. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll have the opportunity to choose a report template. Wrike provides several ready-made templates that cater to common needs like active tasks, overdue tasks, project status, time spent, and team performance. These templates streamline the process and help you get started quickly. However, if you want to customize everything from scratch, you can select the blank report option. Now you'll need to select your data source. This step involves choosing where your information will be drawn from. You have options like space, folder, project, or even the entire account. To give you an example, you might choose the marketing space or perhaps a specific client projects folder depending on your focus. With your data source selected, it's time to configure filters. Filters allow you to narrow down the report results to the exact details you need. You can filter by status, like active or completed, by assignee if you're focusing on specific team members, by due date, such as this week, by priority using categories like high, or by the specific project. Tailoring these filters carefully will refine your report and make it more useful. After filtering your data, it's time to decide on what columns you want to include. Columns represent the information displayed in your report. Some common examples include task name, assignee, due date, status, time spent, and priority. Customize these to match what's most relevant to your report's purpose. Following that, you'll want to group and sort the data to make it even more accessible. Organizing can be done by assignee, project, status, or due date. For instance, you might group tasks by employee and sort them by deadline, providing clarity and easier navigation. Once everything is set up to your liking, you'll need to save the report. Give your report a descriptive name so it's easily identifiable later, like weekly marketing tasks or overdue projects. After entering the name, simply click Save. Finally, you might need to share this report with others, whether it be team members, managers, or clients. To do this, open your report, click on the Share button, and then select the users or groups you want to share with. This ensures everyone stays on the same page and has access to up-to-date information. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create a report in Wrike tailored to your exact needs. Happy reporting!